Your Lordship, the petitioners are aspirant of PSC examination who appeared in the year 2020 preliminary examination. Your Lordship, they all missed their candidature from appearing in the main examination only by 2 marks, Your Lordship.
All right.
And they raised a question about the correctness of the question that is at page 43, Your Lordship.
Here,
43 of the writ appeal, Your Lordship, I am referring.
here.
Who founded Adi Brahma Samaj? The options were given Devendranath Tagore, Keshav Chandra Sen, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and Rabindranath Tagore, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in support, they all have answered Keshav Chandra Sen, the option B as to be the correct answer of this question, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, they in support of their objection which they have raised, they filed the copy of extract of annexure that is at page 50, Your Lordship, annexure P6. मध्य प्रदेश भोज विश्वविद्यालय भोपाल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ भोपाल से ये मटेरियल है in which at relevant answer has been given at page 53, Your Lordship.
Who founded
In
Brahmo Samaj?
para 2. Yes, Your Lordship.
Adi Brahma Samaj.
Adi Brahma Samaj.
Huh?
Adi Brahma Samaj. The answer appears at page 53, Your Lordship, in the course material of Madhya Pradesh Bhuj University, Bhopal, Your Lordship.
Huh.
It is at page 53.
What is the answer given by you?
Answer in para 2, Your Lordship. केशव चंद्र सेन और उनके अनुयायियों ने 1866 में एक नवीन ब्रह्म समाज की स्थापना की जिसे आदि ब्रह्म समाज कहा जाने लगा. इनमें धर्म सुधार के अतिरिक्त स्त्रियों की मुक्ति एंड it followed with the other things. The main finding is that केशव चंद्र सेन और उनके अनुयायियों ने 1866 में एक नवीन ब्रह्म समाज की स्थापना की जिसे आदि ब्रह्म समाज कहा जाने लगा. So this was one proof of correctness of the answer which they have given. The other is at page 54, Your Lordship. आधुनिक भारत सिविल सेवा परीक्षाओं के लिए प्रमाणिक पुस्तक. The author is S.K. Pandey, Your Lordship. इसमें पेज 55 में दिया हुआ है केशव चंद्र सेन. केशव चंद्र सेन ने अपने उदारवादी विचारों से इस आंदोलन को लोकप्रिय बना दिया. इनकी शाखाएं शीघ्र ही इनके समय में बंगाल से बाहर उत्तर प्रदेश, पंजाब एवं मद्रास में खोली गई. 1865 ईस्वी में. Yes, Your Lord.
We are not finding who has started that Samaj.
Brahma.
जो भी हो, I mean, the experts have decided that it is that Keshav Chandra said cannot be accepted as a correct answer.
Your
That's the
Lordship,
view of the expert committee.
what I'm
So he cannot find the answer to this.
Your Lordship, what my submission is, respectful submission is, looking to the material available on record, it is admitted fact that the recognized university and other authors who are also well versed in the subject.
Matter was sent to expert committee.
Your Lordship, I'm coming to that, Your Lordship. My submission, Your Lordship, that the Keshav Chandra Sen could be an answer to this question, Your Lordship. Because there are two views are available. One view says that the Rabindranath Tagore was the founder of Adi Brahma Samaj. The other view is Keshav Chandra Sen is also correct, Your Lordship. So what has happened in the advertisement itself, Your Lordship, kindly come to page 15, Your Lordship, of the appeal. इसमें पैरा 2 है. पैरा 2 में दिया है प्रारंभिक परीक्षा उपरांत परीक्षा में पूछे गए प्रश्नों के पेपर सेंटर मॉडरेटर द्वारा तैयार प्रावधिक उत्तर कुंजी आयोग की वेबसाइट पर प्रकाशित कर ऑनलाइन पद्धति से 7 दिवस की अवधि में आपत्तियां प्राप्त की जाएंगी. इस अवधि के पश्चात प्राप्त किसी भी अभ्यावेदन पर कोई विचार नहीं है. द रिलेवेंट पार्ट इज पैरा 3, Your Lordship. ऐसे प्रश्न जिसका दिए विकल्पों में एक से अधिक सही उत्तर है, सभी सही उत्तरों को मान्य किया जाएगा. They have dealt with 3-4 more questions in which 2 probable answer was possible and equal mark was awarded for both the answers, Your Lordship. Now, coming to the expert committee report, Your Lordship, that has came to be filed without supplying the copy of the expert committee report to the petitioners, Your Lordship, and without availing them any opportunity to comment on that, Your Lordship. On the face of the record, Your Lordship, it goes to show that the expert committee report is biased and it is not the petitioners has not been given any opportunity to challenge the same, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The expert committee report has came subsequent to the filing of the petitions, Your Lordship, and that has not been supplied to the petitioners.
Yes. Take up. Agreed by the common order passed by the learned single judge in dismissing the batch of writ petitions. The writ petitioner in WP 4788. 3693 has filed this petition. A number of petitions were filed which were heard and disposed of by the common order dated 3/3/2022. The facts involved therein are that the petitioner and others appeared for the
MPPSC
PSC preliminary examination 2020. It was held on 25/7/2021. One of the questions which is disputed is question number 70 of set A.
Set D, Your Lordship. Set A, Your Lordship, correct.
Question 70 of set A.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The said question was as to who founded the Adi Brahma Samaj. Four options were given as follows, A, B, C. The petitioner has marked the option as
B,
B,
Your Lordship.
namely Keshav Chandra Sen. However, the marks have been awarded for the option Devendranath Tagore. Therefore, since it was contested by the petitioner and others that the correct answer is the one granted by the petitioners, the objections were raised. The same were rejected. Thereafter, the instant petition was filed. The learned single judge came to the view that subsequent to the objections received by various students, the matter was referred to the expert committee of the Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission. They in turn have held that there is no justification to accept the option Keshav Chandra Sen to be the correct option. What is the correct answer according to the committee?
My lord, Devendranath Tagore, my lord.
According to the committee, the correct answer will be Devendranath Tagore. The learned single judge, while relying on various judgments, came to the view that once the opinion of the expert committee has been issued, the same cannot be questioned in a court of law. That the court cannot sit as an appellate authority over the views of the expert committee. Questioning the same, the instant appeal is filed. The learned counsel for the appellant contends that the answer given by the expert committee is wrong. That the historical historical evidence would indicate that the correct answer is Keshav Chandra Sen and not what was stated by the expert committee. Therefore, the opinion of the expert committee is wrong. However, on considering the contention, we do not find it appropriate to accept the said submission. Your Lordship, the questions of dispute, so far as what is the correct answer to a particular question is concerned, is best left to the decision of the expert committee. The expert committee has been constituted to give its finding as to what is the correct answer. they having done so, we do not find any reason to interfere with the same. Whether the answer is correct or wrong is not a justification to entertain this petition. It is whether the opinion of the expert committee can be interfered with by a writ form. The chain of judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court have indicated that the opinion of the expert committees shall remain and cannot be interfered with by a court of law, since the courts are not experts in the particular domain. Therefore, while accepting the content
Your
of
Lordship,
the
may I
reasoning
sum-
assigned by the learned single judge, we do not find any ground into.
Your Lordship, may I submit, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, my submission is not that expert committee report is wrong. They wrongly answered the query.
Yes.
Your Lordship, my submission is both the answers are possible in the facts and circumstances of the case, Your Lordship.
Correct. Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner transfer in place of respondent number 5 dated 17/12/2021 ग्राम पंचायत तलवारा टू ग्राम पंचायत धंडा and petitioner is joining dated 15/1/2022. Respondent number 5 suppressed the material of